to another video. If you're new here, hi, my name is Georgie. I'm the artist and creator behind Georgie's Certain Art, a cat and dinosaur themed online shop, but I also create pet portraits. So this week is going to be a little bit different. It's just going to be a little time lapse of me creating this pet portrait of Elsa. This is a simple watercolour style, so it's more like a classic watercolour style painting. This was actually painted back in, I believe it was like July in 2025, and I completely forgot that I recorded this video because it got put in a folder and then I forgot about it. So I have now edited this. So I hope you enjoy watching a little time lapse of me creating this portrait. I really loved painting this orange little kitty, and yeah, I'll let you enjoy it. So be sure to subscribe for more content like this and for Comic-Cons and that sort of thing. If you want to keep up to date with anything that I'm getting up to, follow me on Instagram. I'll put all the links in the caption below. Enjoy!